Trump has asked the administration to pause some green card applications in what's called an aggressive vetting push. Trump administration has implemented a temporary suspension of processing for specific green cards applications, particularly affecting refugees and asylums. The action is part of a broader initiative to intensify vetting procedures for immigrants. The Department of Homeland Security announced that this pause primarily targets individuals who have been granted refugee or asylum status and are in the process of applying for lawful permanent residency. The administration cites concerns over potential fraud and national security risk as impetus for this decision. The suspension is leaving many applicants in a state of uncertainty, potentially folks that are actually in the process, but just paused and held back. It's going to delay their path to permanent residency and, of course, the associated benefits of being a resident of the states. Advocacy groups have expressed apprehension that these individuals may be left in legal limbo for forever, essentially at some point just having to go back because they can't get things passed, affecting their ability to work and access essential services. It aligns with the administration's ongoing efforts to implement more stringent immigration controls, increasing security on visa holders and tourists. Reports indicate that border agents have adopted more aggressive tactics, questioning individuals entering the states and, of course, letting people not come in, leading to very big problems over what are minor visa issues. Many nations across this world have decided to update their travel policies or travel advisories to the states, saying just because you have a visa doesn't mean they'll let you in, because we've seen that happen to many people from many states. And these aren't just the people who are sneaking across the border. These are people flying in who have been here for a while or here on reputable business, because unintended consequences of everything pops in there. It's not a halt in everything. And of course, Trump's trying to launch this new gold card where you pay $1 million and you become a resident, and you're just like that because, money has its privileges. But the people who are trying to come here, who heard about the huddled masses and bring us you're poor, you're tired, those type of things are getting a bit of a slow walk to get through the process. And it's on purpose.